Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is teriyaki sauce. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Sorry if I sound a bit distracted while narrating this video. It's not the video that's the problem. It's knowing that my wife has taken one of the kids out for a driving lesson. No big deal there, you might say. But that happens to mean I know there's a young man driving around the streets of Milton Keynes and Leighton Buzzard being instructed by a psychotic, manically overprotective mother who has a PhD in road rage. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? It's a toss-up which one I have to do first. Go to the police station and bail her out, or call a tow truck. Let's get on with the cooking. Okay, to make this sauce, add the sugar, soy sauce, sake or cooking wine, whatever one you're using, mirin, garlic, ginger and honey in a suitably sized saucepan. Bring to heat and bring up to a simmer. You may have noticed we're using low sodium soy sauce in this recipe. That's because we tried it once with standard soy sauce and it was just too salty for us. So we think low sodium soy sauce gives a better result. Anyway, when the sauce comes up to a simmer, allow it to continue cooking for a further 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain the sauce into a jug to remove the pieces of ginger and garlic. Then place the sauce back into the saucepan and bring back to a simmer. While you're waiting for the sauce to come up to temperature, put 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to the cornflour and mix into a slurry. Then when the sauce is just about coming to a simmer, add the cornflour slurry, drop at a time, until the consistency you want is achieved. And the consistency you're looking for looks something like this. And when you've done this, remove from the heat and allow it to cool. We keep our teriyaki in a squeeze bottle in the fridge. It's just easier to use later when you need it. And I plan on using this sauce in a few recipes coming up soon. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. We hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now. Hello?
Hello, Bedfordshire Police here. Am I speaking to the owner of a blue Honda Jazz, registration number LX135E?
Yes, officer. I'm the owner of that vehicle.